So guys, this is what just showed up at my door a few hours ago today. So I'm going to do what people on YouTube traditionally do, and I'm just going to do an unboxing video. Just jump on the bandwagon, right? So let me go ahead and open this first. Here we go. They basically have a congratulatory letter in here, but let's take a look at the plaque. Go ahead and get this out. Why don't I put this over here? Go ahead and take this out so we can see it a little better. So I got this silver plaque mailed directly from YouTube for reaching 100,000 subscribers. And I could not be more thankful, more grateful, more blessed to have received this and have been given the opportunity to get this. When I started Catalyst University, I started where everyone else starts, just 0 subscribers. And it took quite a few years. It took a lot of patience, a lot of diligence, but I finally hit the milestone, 100,000 subscribers. But let's be entirely honest here. So this would not have been possible without all the support I've had. And I've had a lot of support from a lot of different areas, a lot of different people. First of all is the viewers on YouTube. Obviously, without subscriptions, without likes and shares, I would not be at this milestone. So I want to give a big thank you to everyone who's on YouTube, who wants to learn or who has to learn. So thank you. Thank you to everybody who's on Patreon who supports me that way. Again, very, very grateful. And also, obviously, without even having YouTube as an actual platform, I and really no one else would have this opportunity. You know, YouTube is a really great opportunity as a career, really. And also, just it's a good way to spread education all around the planet at no cost to anybody. So I'm thankful to my viewers, my subscribers. I'm thankful to YouTube. And also, I'm really thankful to all my family, all my friends, and especially my fiance, Michelle, because they see me doing this all the time, every day, working hard. So I could not be more thankful. Thank you to everyone who's made this possible. Thank you.